Sea moss. Benefits. How this natural superfood supports your health. It's often said that the most powerful health boosters don't come from a lab, but from nature itself. And there is no greater source of natural vitality than the ocean. For centuries, coastal communities have understood this secret, turning to the sea for nourishment and well-being. Hidden within its depths are incredible superfoods, packed with nutrients that are often missing from our modern diets. Today, we're diving deep into one of the ocean's most treasured gifts, sea moss. This humble sea vegetable has been a staple in traditional remedies for generations. Now, it's making a huge splash in the modern wellness world, celebrated for its incredibly dense mineral content and a wide array of potential health benefits that we are only just beginning to fully appreciate. So, if you're curious about what all the buzz is about, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore its fascinating origins, break down the key minerals that make it so powerful, and uncover how it may support everything from your thyroid to your digestion. We'll also show you the simple and delicious ways you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Sea moss is a type of red algae, often called Irish moss, traditionally used in Caribbean and Irish cultures. It's known for containing a wide range of minerals, including iodine, magnesium, potassium, calcium. Because of its nutrient profile, many people use sea moss as a natural supplement to support overall wellness. One of the most talked about benefits of sea moss is its support for thyroid health. The thyroid needs iodine to function properly, and sea moss naturally contains iodine, which may help support healthy metabolism, help regulate energy levels, support hormonal balance. Sea moss is often used by people looking to naturally support their mineral intake and maintain balance in the body. Sea moss is also known for supporting digestive health. It contains a gel-like substance that may help support the gut lining, promote smooth digestion, act as a natural prebiotic. Prebiotics help feed the good bacteria in your gut, which plays a major role in overall health. Many people use sea moss to help support a healthy digestive system and improve how their body processes nutrients. Sea moss contains antioxidants and minerals that may help support the immune system. Some potential benefits include supporting the body's natural defenses, helping reduce fatigue, supporting energy levels. Now that you know the benefits, how do you actually use sea moss? Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths, making it easy to fit into your daily routine. One of the most popular forms is sea moss gel. To make it, simply soak dried sea moss, rinse it well, and blend with fresh water until smooth. Store it in an airtight jar in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. You can add it to smoothies, teas, or just take a spoonful on its own. For a refreshing option, try sea moss drinks. It's often blended into juices, where tropical fruits like mango or pineapple help balance its subtle taste with their natural sweetness. You can also incorporate it directly into your food. Because it's a natural thickener, it works wonderfully in soups, stews, and sauces without altering the flavor. The key is consistency. Most people find success by using small amounts, like 1 or 2 tablespoons, each day rather than consuming large servings infrequently. As we've seen, sea moss is a powerful natural food that has been used for generations to support health in many different ways, from mineral support and digestion to immune health and energy. It's a wonderful example of nature's ability to provide nourishment. However, it's crucial to use it responsibly. While generally safe for most people, moderation is key. Because of its high iodine content, individuals with pre-existing thyroid conditions or an iodine sensitivity should be particularly cautious. It may also interact with certain medications, especially those related to thyroid function or blood thinning. For these reasons, it's essential to remember that I am not a medical doctor, and this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified healthcare professional before adding any herbal supplement to your routine. especially if you have underlying health concerns or are taking medication. They can provide personalized advice. If you've spoken with your healthcare provider and would like to explore high-quality sea moss and other herbal products, you can check out my Amazon storefront link in the description below. I've curated a selection of brands that I trust. Thank you so much for watching and for taking this journey into the world of sea moss with me. If you enjoy learning about natural health, herbal medicine, and holistic wellness, please subscribe and stay connected for more content like this. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.